Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the battery level on your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. To check the battery level, click right here on the taskbar, and then here next to your battery icon you will see the current charging level. And if you click on this icon, you will see not only the battery level but also some additional info like whether the smart charging is enabled and how much time is left until your device is fully discharged or until it is fully charged. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.